welcome to HolyChild Jr online preschool. Today I am going to teach you about the 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5. And what is the use of sense organs? They help us to know the surrounding. Okay, so let us see who are the 5 sense organs. Eyes helps us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose helps us to smell. Tongue helps us to taste the yummy food. And children, the last sense organ is our skin. Our skin helps us to feel whether the object is hot or cold, whether it's smooth or rough. Okay, so skin is present all over our body. So how many sense organs we have? 5. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood about the 5 sense organs present in our body.